What's going on, traders? Currently came back from my vacation and now it is back to work trading with the members in our community. This week, our prop firm automation accounts continue to grow even while taking a few losses with some of the trades. It just goes to show you that risk management is key when managing your prop firm accounts, especially during these volatile times with all of the geopolitics going around the world. We didn't quite hit 5 figures this week, but we were still able to make some profits. And let me just break down some of the trades from this past week by our team of traders. All right, here we go. So here is my MT5 on our 200K prop firm automation account copier. This week, we didn't hit as big of a profit. However, there was a lot of news in the markets this week, especially with the war going on and with the constant speeches with the president. So we were trying to be very careful this week. We did end up getting stopped out at 1.5%. That is the most that we risk per day on this account. You can see that the balance is exactly the same as my desktop, $570,232. Just like right here, $570,232. And then the last 2 trades that we took were these 2 trades right here, 688 and 710. And that was for a gold, a sell on pound dollar. So we do make weekly update videos, so if you guys haven't checked out the previous weekly update videos, then you guys can check that out. But just for this past week, we did about $5,000. So $5,440. So going over some of the trades. So on the prop firm automation accounts, we only trade 3 pairs. We only focus on pound dollar, gold, and euro dollar. Those pairs usually seem to have the most volatility in the markets. So on the 30th, we had this trade 680, and then we lost this trade on pound dollar for 1,690, not quite 1% on the 200K account. So we ended up losing that trade, but we made up for it on gold. So we had a huge win on gold for $3,936. So you can see right there. And on the 30th, again, we had another trade on euro dollar for $830. And then on the 31st, so this was our biggest loss this week. We hit our max stop loss of about 1.5%. So you can see that we lost 1,530 there. And then we lost $992 there, and these three were actually in the trade at the same time. And because they were all in the trade simultaneously, if it wasn't, then maybe it wouldn't have happened this way, but they were all in the trade at the same time. And so because they were all in the trade at the same time, here, if I add 1,520 to 992, then that's about 2,500. This trade right here, 320, triggered the automatic stop loss of about 1.5%. So that is the most that we are actually risking. And then we went on some wins. So we had 288, a small trade on gold. It seemed like it was going to reverse, so the trade closed. And then we had a win on euro dollar, a pound dollar, euro dollar 700, and then gold 688, and then pound dollar for 710. So for this week, it was about 5,440. We usually try to aim for 5 figures, but still not bad. And then I'll show you guys the overall results for the past month. And then for the past month on this 200K account, we did about 20%, and it is going to be exactly the same as my desktop. See right there, $44,000. Yeah, so it was a pretty good month. Even with all of the volatility in the markets, you can see some of the other trades that we took from this past week, from last week. We went on a pretty nice win streak last week. And then this week, because of this one day, but it's okay. That is part of trading. Still hits 20% for the month. So that is not bad. And then overall for the past year, it hasn't been quite a year yet. We'll be getting to a year in a couple of months. I'll show you guys how long it took for us to grow this 200K account to $400,000 in profit. So I'll show you guys exactly how long it took. So on this prop firm automation account service, we actually take the challenge for you. Whichever prop firm you guys want, it does not matter. You guys can use any of these prop firms. You guys can head on over to propfirmmatch.com. Check which prop firm is suitable for you, depending on your country as well. And it doesn't matter which trading platform you're using, whether it's MetaTrader, 5C Trader, Match, we can actually do it all. Some of the prop firms on here, most of our members are actually using as well, like 5%ers, Funding Pips, Alpha, FundedNext, Maven. And also, important news, we have also started automating futures prop firms as well. So if you guys are trading on futures, we can also do futures prop firms. So that is not an issue as well. Our community, so once you guys do join, you guys will be able to log in, join our group chat as well. And some of the prop firms that our members are using, you guys can see FTMO, FundedNext, Maven, Funding Pips, Alpha Capital. I believe just today, one of our members got a payout from Maven prop firm. So yeah, so right here, so this member got a payout from Maven for about $10,000. He has 200K accounts with them. So many of our members have multiple prop firm accounts, many with over $1 million in funding. I believe that was the only payout from today. Let me see if anyone else got a payout. No, I don't think so. But today, still got a decent payout from Maven. So congratulations to this member as well. Now, let me show you guys how long it took for us to hit that 400,000. So I'm going to show you guys the analysis on the prop firm automation accounts for the 200K. You're going to be able to see right here. So here it is. So right now, the growth has been 176%. So we got everyone funded back in July. So we started this automation accounts back on the 30th of July. You can see 30th of July, 2025. Right now, we are now on the 3rd of April, 2026. Over the course of all of these months, you will be able to see that we have never had any kind of serious drawdown. We are sticking strictly to our rules. We never ever break our rules when managing these prop firm automation accounts. I'll show you guys some of the days that we actually got into a drawdown. So here 55.33, so 54.92. So that was one of those days. Another day right here. So 72.968. The next day 71.93%. And then another day right here, I believe. Let me see. 81.326 to 80.964%. So we've never ever had a serious drawdown of more than 1.5%. Another day right here, 88.3 to 87.559. So there were a few other days like right here as well, I believe. So let me see. It was right there, 149.717 to 149.219%. And then this week right here, so when we lost those three trades, so it was 175.621 to 174.49. You could just see the trajectory that we've been on, and we've just been absolutely crushing it. And now everyone has gotten a payout of over $350,000, which is absolutely insane. And because we have been able to manage the account for so long, most of all of the members in our community are funded even 7 figures across multiple prop firms. So the idea is to just get max allocation from all of the recommended prop firms, to go on to the next prop firm, get another account, and just grow your prop firm accounts. So let me show you guys one of our members. So this is his own dashboard. Once you guys do join, you guys will be able to have access to your own trading dashboard as well. And then you can see that this member right here, he started with us back in July. So from July, he was only funded across Fxify and FTMO. And then now he has grown his prop firm accounts to all of these accounts. So Funding Pips, now he's funded with E8 Markets, Alpha Capital, and it's just been nonstop payouts because we have not blown any accounts since July. So the last time we actually blew any accounts was actually during April, during Trump's tariffs, and we should not have been in the markets, but we had multiple losses in a row. But other than that, we haven't blown any accounts since then. So right now, just in the month of March, you can see just how many payouts he's gotten. And then now we're on the 2nd of April. He just got another payout from FTMO for $21,000, mostly all 5-figure payouts. And we're just going to continue to get these payouts for all of these members. The only thing about our prop firm automation service is that the minimum account that you can start with is 100K. We do not take anything below 100K. So you guys can start off with 100K. Once you guys get your payouts, and you guys can increase it, get a 200K account, and then go to a different prop firm, and then get max allocation as well. And the best thing about our prop firm automation service is that it comes with all of our EAs. It's all free, all inclusive, whether it's our US 30 trading bot, our FX Goliath trading bot, or our gold trading bot. All of it is free and inclusive, so you guys can use it on your own personal accounts. Once you guys do get your payouts, we do recommend using some of those profits and putting it into a live broker. We also do some live trading with the members in our community, so you guys can also join us for our live broadcasting. So if you guys want to make profits like this, or if you guys would like to learn more about our platform automation service and join our thriving community, make sure you guys go to our YouTube channel. You guys can check out all of the previous videos. I do make weekly update videos on our platform automation service. And if you guys would also like to join, hit this link right here. Reach out to one of our members to also help you get started on your platform trading journey.